Gotta give them what they want, babe.
I'm trying.
They're asking for it.
I'm really trying.
Everyone say thank you, Wax by Yenny, for making these videos happen. She's done cooking. It's so hot. So satisfying. Oh! He's been growing it out for me for quite a while. We're gonna get such a good wax today, babe. Oh my god. Lay down.
I'm down.
Can I do this area?
You want to do the middle? You're trying to get the worst.
Worst out of the way, okay? Relax your neck, babe.
The first time I've done it in what? It's been like months.
It's been a while. Relax your neck, okay?
It's kind of hard to relax when there's hot wax being put on your neck.
Just remember how much you love me when we're doing this, okay?
Oh,
Babe, I'm reading the tab.
I forgot how bad it is.
Yeah, it's been a while. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Woo!
It does look sick.
Wow.
Boy thoughts.
I'm more professional every time. Practice makes perfect, babe.
I'm the only practice.
I know.
The things I do for love.
The things you do to be hairless and the things you do for love, right?
Yeah.
100,000 likes will wax the rest of his body.
I swear. Is this how they do it at the waxing places that you go to?
No, because you're at Katie's salon and not a
Katie's
professional waxing salon, babe.
Yep.
You catch an attitude the second the first rip happens because you don't like the pain, and I'm not here for it, okay?
We don't have to do this.
Okay, I'll stop now. Bye. 3.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
Hey.
You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I think you're just set up for this one. So it'll, like, pull the skin taut.
This is, like, difficult. My arms cannot move from this.
Sit down. Like...
Oh, I'm panicking.
No,
I'm
no,
panicking.
Oh, that hurt me.
So sorry. So sorry for the pain that you're in right now. As you know, actually. Okay. Is it? Okay.
Stop being a freaking goober for a second.
I'm panicking.
We're gonna try for 1 yank, but I think it's gonna be 2.
It's fine if it's 1. That would be nice.
3. Oh shit!